continuing to introduce MobUps team all over the world, and now I'd like to introduce you the Business Development Director of GCC region, Zishan. Hello, Zishan, how are you doing? And please introduce yourself.
Thank you very much, Anton. I'm fine. Thank you very much. Hope all is well with you.
Oh, everything is great. Could you please tell us a little bit more about yourself and your position in the company?
Right. So, Anton, I'm born and brought up in this region, right? I'm specifically in UAE for 17 years in the media business. And with MobUps heading, the GCC and MENA region and growing it, growing it in terms of penetrating our brand and scaling it up and getting more clients on board.
Yeah, that's what we're targeting. So this seems like a huge experience. 17 years. Wow, that must be. You had a lot of ups and downs in the industry and survived a lot of things, right?
Right, absolutely. And also, I have been. I have started from a magazine. I was selling. In fact, I started from a telephone directory. So from there to a magazine, and from there to television channels, and then from there to digital, and so on and so forth. I have seen those times in this country where I went like 8 to 9 years back, 10 years back, I think. Yeah, I went to a client and I told him that I think you should take your business on Facebook, and he laughed at me.
Wow.
He said, "Do you think?" And this is what his words were. He said, "Zishan, do you think that if I put my business on Facebook and people are going to buy more from me? So are you crazy?" So I have seen those times over here in this region, and and I have seen this region. This region is basically a little bit, behind the West, but it catches up fast, and it is a very ripe territory for especially business like ours, which is into mobile, because the connectivity is one of the best in the world, and smartphone penetration is one of the highest in the world in this region. So it makes this region as an ideal, business for ideal territory for our business.
Yes, this is sound crazy in 2021. Like we don't have any businesses that can survive without Facebook or social networks. So those questions like that sound crazy right now. So this is a hell of an experience you got. I'm totally with you on this. So what are the issues or benefits in the ad industry related specifically to your geo you're working with? What are the differences and similarities? How the local approach in the geo is more effective than any other kind of centralized approach? How can you use it? I mean,
Bahrain, Kuwait, UAE, and so these are the countries which are part of GCC, and plus then there is MENA, which has all the other North African countries. GCC plus Egypt and Morocco make the most important countries of this MENA region. The GCC business is specifically controlled by 3 countries. Number 1, Saudi Arabia. Number 2, UAE. Number 3, Qatar. The biggest challenges in GCC is that because of ease of access to this market, there are a lot of vendors and suppliers who parachute here, from countries which I would not like to name, but from countries they meet people because access is easy. So they meet people, they try to convince them, and I just told you before, until before 10 years, I was made fun of to put the business on Facebook. So the knowledge of clients is now, it is of course increasing. In the past 5 years, it has seen I've seen a robust increase, and there's a lot of talent which has moved from the other countries, but still it is going through that transition. So the biggest challenge is these people, they come, they parachute here, they sell something to the client, and then the client loses trust on the similar kind of industry. So one of the things which really works here is relationships. People trust on names and faces. So if I am dealing with Anton for past 10 years and Anton has been delivering results to me, I would prefer dealing more with Anton, though Anton is going to offer me a solution which is like 80% of what I want, but Zishan claims that he can deliver 100%. But because Anton, I am working with Anton, and I have had a cup of coffee with him a couple of times and good conversations, and you have delivered, I will go with Anton. So this is how this market works. The biggest challenge is the people who are unprofessional, they parachute here and they break trust of clients.
I totally believe in this, that communication matters and communication on the local markets matters the most. So how do you think, what are the solutions and most compatible tactics Mobibs can offer in your region?
So I think very frankly, Anton, I have seen this. There are a couple of things only which makes one company different than another company, right? So in our business, what is very important is the account management teams. Yes, at the end, I'm going to get a campaign for XYZ brand. The inventory universe is limited, right? Everybody is going to most probably use the same kind of inventory. There is nothing much you can do over here. What is going to make the difference is how your salesperson, your frontliner understands the brief. Then number two, how your account management team handles the campaign. This is the crux of the business. So this is number one. So this is very important. This relationship of salesperson taking the proper brief and debriefing it properly to the account management team, and then account management team running it properly. Then the second thing is that we have very in terms of account management team, we are blessed. We have very good team, fantastic team in-house. The second thing which makes us really different is our experience. Because the more we work, let's say, for example, with finance clients, the more we know what doesn't work with them and what works with them. So because we have experience, our teams have experience with diverse industries, we are able to bring in results for almost any industry, any of the big industry. Either you say e-commerce, finance and banking, lifestyle, we can bring results for that. The third and the third most and last but not least, is that we are into this market for 13 years. So we understand the business from where it was started, and we are going through, all the curves of the business. And in this all curves, we have our own, fraud protection, anti-fraud technologies, which we have in-house. We have our own tool, our own technology, MAFO, which we have with us. This makes us a killer combination, basically. I mean, we are, I think, without bragging a lot about us, I think we are one of the best. Seriously, there is nobody which can. If a brief comes to us, there is no way we will not deliver.
Wow, that's a really great explanation. I feel like this conversation goes very interesting. I feel a little bit educated myself, to be honest. So this means to be like a little short talk to introduce you to our audience. So what would you like to tell our audience?
All I want to say is that mobile is the next big thing. And if you have a mobile app, and if you are using social media to promote it, I mean, that's good. But if you come to us, if you come to Mobibs, we can give you solution which is far better in ROI, less risky for you, and completely action and performance based. That's it. So you only pay for what you get with us.
Okay, thank you, Zishan. This was great. As I said, I feel a little bit educated myself. I'm sure the audience will have the same feelings. Thank you, Zishan.
Thank you very much, Anton. Take care.